What's the meaning of astro dash? Astro. Astro.
Astro. Astro. The prefix astro dash is derived from the Greek word astron, meaning star. It is used in English to form words related to astronomy, space, and celestial objects. The prefix is commonly used in scientific fields such as astrophysics, astronomy, and astrobiology. In modern times, advancements in space exploration and technology have contributed to an increased use of the prefix in popular culture and media. Overall, the use of astro dash signifies a connection to or focus on space-related topics.